Welcome to the Unisys ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse Phase 17, New Features Demo. The following are the new features included in the Unisys ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse Phase 17. Let's understand Enhanced LOGANALYZER Utility, to selectively filter data from the sum log of MCP. To extract data from the sum log. From the LOGANALYZER Utility dialog box, select the host where you want to execute. To view the log records from a different sum log, select the radio button, select from the UI log command by using the log and time, selection options, and output options tabs. From the log and time tab, click Browse and locate the appropriate sum log. Under the From and To fields, specify the start and end timestamps to view the log records, based on the time and date. From the Selection Options tab, you can select the Task, Mix, or Job Session option to view the log records for a range of task, mix, or job session numbers. From the Output Options tab, you can select the Append option to add the selected records to the end of an existing file. Type or browse to the location of the existing file. Select the Create option to save the selected records in a new file. Type or browse to the location of the new file. Select the Dump checkbox to dump the selected records in hexadecimal format, along with the textual form. Select the Sorted option to sort the selected records, by using a task, mix, or job session numbers. Select the Unsorted option to sort the selected records in chronological order, and this is defined as default. If you want to improve the performance of the sort, enter the memory to be allocated for the sort in the Sort Size box. By default, the value is 25,000. If a value greater than 40,000 is typed, it is reduced to 40,000 implicitly by LOGANALYZER. Select the Truncate checkbox to limit the number of lines of output produced for each log entry to a particular value. If you do not specify any number, by default one is selected. Select the Save Results checkbox to save the results in a file and browse to the location where you want to save the file, and click Execute. Now the result appears in the console view. Let's understand the MCP File Search functionality. This feature helps to search the file contents in the MCP projects, both remote and local projects, and open editors. This feature enables you to search for a file name pattern, or text string in the MCP. From the Search dialog box, select the MCP Search tab, and type the text that you want to search. If you want to search for a file, leave the containing text box empty. Provide the file name in the file name pattern. Select the case-sensitive checkbox to perform a case-sensitive search. Select the Match Whole Word checkbox to perform a search for whole words that are identical to the search text. Type all the file name patterns, separated by commas for the files to find, or search for the specified text. Alternatively, click the Choose button, and in the Select Types dialog, select the checkbox corresponding to the file pattern to be included in the search. In the Scope section, All Open Editor option enables the search in all the open files in the editor. The Selected Resources option enables the search in the files, or work files, or MCP projects selected in the MCP Explorer view. And the Workspace option enables the search in all projects of the workspace. Click Search. Now, all the MCP files containing the search text are listed in the search view in a tree structure. On the toolbar, down arrow highlights the next match of the search expression in the editor area. Top arrow highlights the previous match of the search expression in the editor area. Using the Remove Search Result icon, you can remove all the search results from the search view. Using the Remove All icon, you can remove all highlighted matches from the search view. Using the Expand and Collapse icon, you can expand and collapse all the tree views. You can repeat the current search by using the Repeat Search icon, so that the removed search results reappear, or the changes are reflected in the search view. From the display's previously conducted search icon, select a previous search from the drop-down menu to repeat the search, or select Clear History to clear the search history. Let's easily calculate the size of COBOL fields. This feature helps to easily calculate the size of a COBOL variable, or a group variable, that is defined as per the COBOL coding standards. To check the field size, select a variable, or a group of variables, by highlighting the block, or line containing the variable. If no selection is made, the current line is considered for selection. Click Source from the menu bar, and select the field size, or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+1. The field size dialog box appears displaying the selected variables, and the non-editable tabular column displays the offset and the size of each variable that is included in the selection. The selected variable's area is editable. If the variable values are edited, then clicking the refresh button recalculates the field size. The field size of a variable is the offset within the logical record, and not the actual memory storage of the variable. This also provides the option to select and view the offset display type as decimal bits, decimal characters, or octal words. Let's understand the Print Backup Preview feature. This feature enables to preview the printer backup document before printing within Eclipse IDE. To view the printer backup file, click Window, Show View, Other. In the Show View dialog box, expand MCP, select MCP Print Backup, and then click OK. The MCP Print Backup window appears. Select the host where the printer backup file resides, or select Add New Host from the list to add a new host. From the backup disk list, select the pack where the printer backup file resides. In the job or session number box, type or browse to the location where the printer backup file resides. Type the path. Click Open, or press the Enter key. The Backup Files list displays the printer backup files in the selected session or job number. The print backup files will be listed in the Backup Files list view. To view the selected printer backup file, you can either click Open or double-click the file. Alternatively, right-click the file and click Open, or press the Enter key. Now the MCP editor will display the printer backup files in read-only mode. Let's understand the support provided from Eclipse 4.4 and Java 8. Unisys ClearPath MCP IDE for Eclipse Phase 17 is qualified on Eclipse Luna 4.4 on both 32-bit and 64-bit Windows 7 operating systems. Let's view the Eclipse IDE log file contents dynamically from the MCP log view to monitor the Eclipse IDE activities in real time. The MCP log view dynamically displays the Eclipse log traces. Therefore, it is easy for users to monitor the logs while they are happening. To view logs, click Unisys MCP log. View log. The log viewer opens the Unisys EA log file in a tab, and dynamically displays the contents of the Unisys EA log file. Some of the controls provided in this viewer are: the play button displays the latest content from the Unisys EA log file, and appends the logs to the log viewer, as and when the logs are written to the log file. This option is selected by default. Clicking on the stop button will stop tailing the log file. During this time, logs are not appended to the viewer. Refresh the log file, refreshes the current log file. Unisys offers a comprehensive set of ClearPath services to enrich the value of your ClearPath applications, data and systems. Please contact your Unisys representative for more information.